Alright people, so I received this digital ultrasonic cleaner machine from the people of Live Basis Ultrasonic Cleaners, and they want me to overview and test this machine using dirty coins and stuff that I have found metal detecting. But first, let's see what is inside the box. And here it is. So this is our digital ultrasonic cleaner. It has a large stainless steel capacity tank of 500 milliliters, and it has a proven circuitry with ultrasonic frequencies of 42 kilohertz, which is cost effective and stable. It has a 5 timer settings, which is good for various cleaning requirements. You have a touch sensing control for longer life and better waterproof, and it has a stronger anti-interference ability. All right, so here we have what is inside the tank, and it has the watch bridge and a plastic watch bridge here, and then the plastic basket. All right, and also the power cord. This is not an USB type of power cord, but it is very long, so you can easily plug this everywhere. Nice. Let's see how it works. All right, and how it works for some common cleaning applications, for regular cleaning, you're gonna use only normal tap water. No need to use distilled water. So the way it works is that you put the items into the tank directly, then fill the tank with tap water. Ensure the items are submerged in the water, but do not exceed the maximum mark for the water level. All right, you do some enhanced cleaning, then you can add some cleaning solution to the water, but that's an extra thing. You don't need to do it specifically. And then you can use the optional accessories, like the plastic basket. They don't recommend you to use the plastic basket unless you have some delicate or very small items. And the reason is that because the plastic basket absorbs about 30 to 40% of the ultrasonic energy, then it reduces the cleaning effectiveness of the machine. All right, so you got the watch stand for cleaning your watches as well. Very nice. All right, so I do have some items that I'm going to clean. These are coins, tokens, some relics. I have this vintage toy military jet. Then I have some of my jewelry that I have found throughout the years metal detecting. I'm gonna try to clean this one. This is a silver ring. This is a fashion ring, but it's old and it's all dirty. So let's see how it works. I have my tap water here. All right, so let's begin the process. So I'm gonna put some of my items here. Make sure that they're not touching each other. Let's put this tag. Yes, it's a dog tag. Let's put this. This is a 14 karat gold, white gold with diamond earring that I found on the street. And then I'm gonna put this silver ring and some Canadian coins that I have found. There you go, here. Let's put them here too. And I'm gonna put this American dollar coin. And let's see what else. Oh, let's put this one here. It's a fashion ring. It's an old one. And this is also vintage, it's old. Let's put it here. Not touching each other. What else we can put here? All right, let's put this item here, which is also a relic. And this is an antique sharpener. Let's put it here. And I believe that should be enough, right? There you go. So the next step is to add the tap water, like I said, to the minimum level. one level. There you go, right there. Okay, so I will need to rearrange my pieces so that they don't touch each other. All right, so no basket here like they recommend, because these items are not too delicate that they need that tank. All right, let me put this relic here, which is also dirty, and this other coin, we have some room here. See, it's a large capacity. You can put a lot of stuff in here. Just make sure they don't touch each other. No, just try, because once you put this to work, it will work. Okay, so let's begin the process. We're gonna use 180 seconds to see, just to see how it works. So I press this knob here, and it is cleaning. And you can see all the dust and the dirt coming off my finds, things that I found metal detecting. Absolutely beautiful. 180 seconds. That's the default time setting. Should be enough to clean. If you need more time, then remember that you can go all the way to 480 seconds. You see all the cloudy water, meaning that the machine is cleaning all the items that I put in the tank. Absolutely nice. Alright, so it just finished. Now you see all of this cloudy water, meaning that it has removed all the dirt from my finds, metal detecting finds. So let's see how they turned out to be. So let's see what I can grab first. And this is an old sharpener from the 1800s. Pretty clean. It looks really nice. Put it in the basket here. You see we have the dog tag. Oh yeah, this is very clean. Nice, no dirt. Very nice. I like it. Okay, let's see one ring. No dirt. So the stains it will not remove. Remember that this is a cleaner. This is not for to remove stains. For stains you have to use some abrasive sources. Okay, so very clean, I would say. Nice job. Let's see what else I have here. All right, this is our dollar coin. Clean. No more dirt. Nice. Okay, so this is a relic. It's a pin relic, probably from the early 1900s, and it's clean as well. Good job. And this is an Chinese coin, and it's clean as well. I don't see any dirt, see only stains. Okay, so this is a military button that I found, and it has some dirt here, not anymore. Okay, nice. The little boot, Monopoly boot, old, no dirt. Okay, the Canadian coin, absolutely clean, only stains. All right, good job. I like this machine a lot. Okay, so this is a hairpin, a very old hairpin, and I see that this is rust. It's not dirt. So the dirt was removed. This I need to remove with something else. All right, the rust. And this is the other Canadian coin, absolutely clean. And what else we have here? All right, this is a belt end, old belt end, and it's clean. It has some leather. And what else we have here? Oh, okay, so our rings. All right, so this is these are stains again, not dirt, but the dirt that I wanted to remove was inside here, these crevices here of the ring, and I can see that it's absolutely clean. Very nice ring. And then our 14 karat gold with diamonds earring. This one I was expecting dirt inside, between the diamonds, and I can see that it looks actually very bright. All right, so this is something delicate. I did not use the basket for this, but still it managed to clean the gold and nothing happened to the diamonds. So it's just not expected anything happening to the diamonds. Okay, very nice. All right, so then all you have to do is to just pour the water out, and I would tap it, to let it dry before put it for the next task. Okay, so just remember that you have to lower the lid. I left the lid up just for these showing purposes. Absolutely a very nice, compact ultrasonic cleaner machine. Thank you.